In this video, I'll talk about a couple of features that you can enable for Samsung flagship devices like the Galaxy S10, the Note 10, and the S20. They might be available on other devices, but you'll have to check that out. The first one is game plugins. With this, you can get more control over your gameplay experience. You can set daily limit on gaming, so it could be like an overall limit or per game basis. So let's say on Asphalt 9, you can first see how much you've played on that day or in that week or in that month, and you can set a daily limit as well. You can do that per day basis. So let's say on weekends you might want more, and on weekdays you might want less. And if you don't want to do it on a per game basis, you can just set an overall limit as well. And this is where it gets really crazy. You get to decide how you want your game to perform. So let's say for Asphalt 9, you probably want high graphic quality, you want the maximum FPS, but you can control all of that depending on whether you want to save battery or whether you want best performance. My preference would always be max FPS, so I get the smoothest gameplay. But if you want to save more battery, you can do that as well. And you can also opt to display certain gameplay statistics like FPS, CPU, GPU, and temperature. Game plugins is not available on your phone by default, so go into your Galaxy store, search for game plugins. You'll look for this icon and you can see it's developed by Samsung, so it's really reliable. Just go for it. And guys, before I talk about the next one, I'm trying to reach 200,000 subscribers, and it'll be great if you could just drop a like, hit the subscribe button and that bell icon, and that'll help me move closer to my goal. Now coming to the next one, as long as you have the capability to install Samsung GoodLock on your phone, you can get multitasking at a whole different level. So I can open any window in a pop-up style or any app in a pop-up style, and I can just close it into this bubble format. And I can do this for multiple apps, as many as I want. And then if I want to call them back, I just click on that bubble, choose the app that I want to open, and that's it. Now I can have multiple windows aligned on my phone, and I can use them simultaneously, which makes it really fun. And to enable this functionality, you'll have to have GoodLock on your phone. If you don't, I've done a video that explains how to get GoodLock on Galaxy phones. Just go into Lock Star and enable pop-up view action. The next feature involves enhancing your lock screen to get faster access to apps that you want on the lock screen itself. And again guys, you're going to need GoodLock for this. So once you get that, install the Lockstar module and enable that. And then go into Edit Lock Screen and then tap on Items. You'll see something called as Shortcuts. Click that multiple times to get Shortcuts multiple option, and you'll see some plus circles on your lock screen. Tap on it and then you can choose the apps that you want. There are 6 options available, so you can set up to 6 apps for instant access from your lock screen. Once you're done, hit save and you'll be all set. And coming to the last one, have a look at how my folder looks like. It's really nice and good looking. I can also loop my app pages in the app drawer so that they're like a never-ending loop. And also if you go into your home screen settings, you will see that you can only set up your grid size to up to 5 by 6. But I can actually go further up ahead using HomeUp on GoodLock. So it's a module that you get inside GoodLock, and once you install the HomeUp module, you'll get more customization control on your home screen and app screen grids. So you'll be able to have more rows and more columns, which means you'll be able to fit more apps. So in a way, it reduces the need of installing a home screen launcher like Nova or Launcher, because it just gives you all those functionalities with the HomeUp module. Now, of course, it's not as intricate as those apps, but it's still pretty good, and it's a step in the right direction, especially for power users. So yes, try the HomeUp module and you'll see a lot of functionalities that you can play with. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you've got any questions, feel free to comment them in the section below. And as always, don't forget to drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next one.